what I'm calling a Wookie, which is a cookie that you basically do in the waffle maker. Start with is about 1.5 cups of Quaker Quick Oats. We have 1 cut up banana, no sugar added applesauce. We have one of those little small packets of craisins. We have 2 tablespoons of vanilla, 3 tablespoons of cinnamon, and you always see me using this pumpkin butter. It adds so much flavor. 1¼ cup of milk. I'm using almond milk. I'm going to start with my 1¼ cups of milk. And to that, I'm going to add the applesauce. Next, I'm going to add the vanilla. After that, I'm going to add the pumpkin butter. Actually, let's do this. Should be able to hold this with my left hand. And then put the pumpkin butter in. Okay. That is an improvement over where I started. So now that I have that, I have all my wet ingredients combined. I'm just going to stir this up a little bit because next the bananas are going to go in here. Now I have my dry ingredients. I'm going to add my cinnamon to the oatmeal. Pretty much I add one. I know if you're really a baker, you probably don't want to see me do this. And so I just added some baking powder to it. With this camera angle, this would be good. So what I'm going to do is stir this in here. So Miriam is doing executive producer. Now she's camera woman and she's helping with the food prep. I'm going to give Miriam a raise. I'm going to double what I'm paying you.
So 2 cookies.
So 2 cookies. Maybe even some milk if you're nice. Even if you let it sit, the oats are going to suck up more of the moisture and it's going to get a little bit thicker. But I'm going to just go ahead and put this right into the waffle maker now. And so I'm going to basically estimate out how much to put in for each one. But it's roughly about a heaping tablespoon. And it's going to flatten out and it's going to get a nice little, all the ridges that you would normally see in a waffle, that is going to be in your Wookie, your waffle cookie. All right, that is it. So now I'm just going to close this. So when they come out, I drizzle this date syrup on it. And I got this at Rouse's. I asked about it. It's so good. That is the first batch of Wookies, these oatmeal Wookies.